Alright, what up, this is Soap 2000.
Oh my god, there's a midget!
And I'm back with Borderlands Let's Play Part 6, I'm pretty sure. So, let's see what we gotta happen. Well, we gotta wait like a couple seconds. They'll have some new stuff in a second. Yeah. Nice. Give me a second. Wait 19 minutes. 19 seconds. Fine by me.
Give me a shout if I can help you.
Nice. What does it have to offer?
It was purple. Cody, don't buy this, okay?
I might not have a med school degree, but when you get shot, you'll be happy I'm here.
What is it?
I met the cell taking his way.
That'll do.
Why?
Because there's one that's stronger than taking his way from there.
Oh, it was a purple? What, that thing?
This.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, here's the purple.
That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, this is what a thumper sounds like. Sounds like a 50 cal.
Jacob stands to one thing really well. Power. And honestly, what else do you need?
He's got a point. So let's go kill freaking Nine Toes and get this done with.
I'm gonna kill him, and I'm gonna do something bad to his children.
Okay.
By that I mean rip around him. I'm gonna make his mom eat
I don't
it.
think I've ever seen one come out of there.
Critical hit.
When you're a level 51, you see a lot of stuff.
That's a good point.
Where's his freaking bonehead butt at?
Somewhere.
Down him.
Full health?
Wait. No, I don't see him.
I see him.
I don't.
Give me a second.
Wait, I see him. Yeah, he's full health.
Yeah.
Cover me, Cody.
No, wait till we...
I'm leaving this time. No. No. This time. Kill him. Hurry.
He's glitched. Never mind.
That don't get him.
Yeah!
Alright, I'll get the
Another
big
notch
truck
on my
roll.
whip. Look out what I've been saving for you.
Oh, you got it. You know about that. What's it called? Is it gonna start with me, you freaking bruiser?
It's over here, isn't it? No!
Alright. I'm gonna run through there with my dessert and I'm gonna grab it, okay?
Alright, go. I think I got way more money than you. Probably you also.
I bought this and something.
Remember when you had maxed out money? I was getting very close to it.
Yeah, it's called $20 billionaire.
Waiting to turn him. I'm just gonna level up, bro. Bro, look how fast I regen.
Get you one.
Wow, so fast. Oh yeah, with machine gun anyway.
Let's get you rolling.
You did not just get the first
That
one.
right there.
Yeah, I did.
Man. My runners ain't the
He's
prettiest
I'm
gal
first
in town,
player.
but she'll put out the second you ask her. And be sure to hit the boost to know whoever wants to catch a ride with the scooter man.
How sarcastically, his name is Scooter.
What the freak?
Ah, got it! God dang it!
What the freak? Hold on, I gotta look at this guy. What the freak? What happened?
You know what? I'm just gonna go up the lazy way. I said go up the lazy way.
Oh, hell, did you just leap over piss wash Gully and one of my runners?
Yep.
Man, dude, tell me when you're gonna do that crap. That was awesome.
The elder skag. I know what you do. Next episode, like we'll take a little break on this and we'll just drive around. Or do you want to just do it? Like we'll drive around and level ourselves up. Nice job.
I'll hit the button. Hey bro, wait up. I'm gonna turn it. Okay.
All right, why don't you come on back? I got something for you.
Oh, is that thing that's where we get 3 weapons at one time?
Yeah.
I beat the horn when I got out.
Alright.
For this thing. I hate how slow this reloads.
And usually, isn't that Theodore?
Yep. Theodore
They
isn't
usually
super
reload
fast.
fast.
They're like, they're usually like way faster than this.
Well, what's his name is about to leave.
You can call me Zed.
Who?
Everyone else
Zed?
does.
Yeah. Zed's about to leave to get him in heaven.
Oh yeah. So now we have 3 weapon slots. I thought I said gangsta, 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 you.
In making guns that excel in every area.
Here, we're gonna do this.
This man, Sledge, has something we need. You are going to get it from
Shut
him.
up.
Sledge is a bad man who has done terrible things to the people of Firestone.
We know.
Do what you must.
I'm not doing a shot pistol thing right now.
Or not. Okay, so guys, if you really did enjoy this episode, leave a like, comment, subscribe. We'll be at least level 11 by our next episode. We're gonna go drive around this killing stuff. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next episode.